Hello everyone, good morning. So welcome to the fifth session of SAP ABAP programming. So if I go to the introductory part, then companies classifications, second session completed, still skills, soft skills required for the IT industry also covered. We are into the yesterday started with IT programming areas, IT technologies and all. So started with non-SAP and finally concluding the reason why to stick to SAP. So today also I am extending the same topic, IT technology only, based on the programming languages. So we have today reasons why to learn SAP. Okay, this is the title. We keep it here because I will give 100 above reasons also why we have to learn SAP, why we have to stick to SAP also. Okay, so first of all, if you look at it must be pronounced as SAP. Okay, it is not SAP. Okay, yes, it is German based software. Waldorf is the headquarter of SAP ESE. So first of all, SAP is a software, right? Basic software. That implied meaning is that it is not a hardware. That is clear. And moreover, what next? SAP is a application software because as yesterday's we have seen there are two things. There are languages and packages. So if you work in the core CCPP, that is a language part. When you work in .NET, Java, .NET framework or Java environment or other application developments, even SAP is also a application. So it is a application software, right? SAP is a SAP is a like yes, ERP software, enterprise resource planning based software, ERP based. That is ERP is a concept. So which okay provides end-to-end solution for the business process. So ERP based software. Yes, that means yes, SAP provides end-to-end solution, end-to-end solution required for a business, for a company. Okay, complete. That is for industries or business completely. Only one software is enough. This provides the end-to-end solution. So again, one step back. SAP software, uh, SAP software is developed by that five IBM former employees. They resigned to IBM. They formed a company called as SAP AG earlier. Yes, earlier it was SAP AG. Now it is SAP SE. This is the company name. Okay, company name. Yes, this company's headquarter is into international headquarter, global headquarter into Waldorf, uh, Germany. That is near to Frankfurt. Yes, and we have country specific SAP USA, SAP. They have their own country specific branches. Also, there SAP Labs is there, which is a R&D center. Yes, so SAP Labs is a research and development center, right? And you have SAP India, SAP USA, SAP Australia, like that. Country specific is a what is that? Country specific headquarter. Yes, head offices. Okay. Yes. So as I said, I will also type that. So global head office is in Waldorf. It's a small town near to Frankfurt. That is in Germany. So that means it is it is German based software. So mostly still you will find a lot of words into German based. So SAP is a German based, like so the language first priority given to the German language only. If you know German, well and good, you will get opportunities in this area also. Yes. So everything they release in the German first, later they release in the international language, English next. So high priority is given in this only because their own country specific language. Okay. Yes. So this is SAP software. Okay. Developed by five members, five IBM former employees, which means they used to work with IBM. They used to work with IBM and they resigned to IBM. They resigned from IBM and they started their own company. Because, yes, so IBM, okay, IBM uses what? IBM uses COBOL, right? COBOL is the basic business language. COBOL is the basic business language, business based language. So they were good at COBOL. So they have come up with a similar type of similar kind of programming language. Now SAP uses own. Own means proprietary programming language. Okay, language called ABAP. So again, yesterday I said ABAP, their own language. So where ABAP ABAP environment ABAP environment was developed by developed using 40% of sorry 40% of assembly language and 60% of C and C++. Yes, this was the core development. So the ABAP runtime environment was developed using this assembly language and CPP also, right? So that means if you have this knowledge on this CCPP, similar you can adapt into ABAP is very easy. And ABAP programming also have similarities like COBOL. So as I said, COBOL is a basic business language. ABAP is a advanced advanced business application programming. So if you look at the development strategy, first, okay, SAP developers, okay, what happens, what is the sequence? SAP developers develop ABAP environment first. That is ABAP development environment. It is a kind of IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, yes, first. Later, next to what? Later, using ABAP, all SAP rest are using ABAP, remaining SAP applications were developed. SAP applications were developed and still this development is going on continuously. Yes. So this is the sequence. First they, rather than depending on COBOL or some other programming languages, they have their own proprietary programming language. Own. So in SAP, all developments happens using ABAP only. So where ABAP is used, so ABAP is used to develop SAP in-house applications. That is SAP specific, SAP Echo space. That means within the SAP, everything, all developments, all you will find a number of areas. Okay, all the screens related to sales and distribution, materials management, and all other module specific. Everything developed by using ABAP only. Okay, yes, in-house applications. Right. Now, if you look at a small clarity I want to give, yes, that is like if you go to the language versus package. See, generally, I just want to give these two words we come across, language, package words in the industry. So, English is a language. So, what is English if you ask anyone? A alphabet, A to Z or Z to A, that is called as language. But using English, using alphabet, we write word, we write statement or sentences, then poem, then poetry, then stories, then paragraphs, then you can document anything, you can write it. So what happens if you take any English document which consists of A B C D till Z only, that is A to Z completely. So the simple meaning is one word we can use, language is used to develop applications, okay, or packages, right? Example, ABCD is used to develop the complete any statement sentence. Everything is a combination of ABCD only. Or else vice versa, if you want to develop any document which is based on the core ABCD only, it's integrated. So come to here, languages are used to develop the packages or applications. These are all either packages or applications. So these all the things developed using C, CPP or Java and all. Basic core a background area is this only completely. Okay. Yesterday I told you the Eclipse or Edit Plus. These are all ready-made environment runtime, and where you can directly system generates a template where you can insert your code at the respective places. So these are all, that's why everyone feels comfort to work with application area rather than the system programming area, because learning, adapting at application level is very easy rather than the core system level, right? So two statements are correct. These applications were developed by using C, CPP is correct, or else C, C++ is used to develop all this application, even the assembly language also part of. Okay, this is the integrated things you can see. Applications are again small, medium, mobile specific, industry specific applications. Many applications are there, web based applications, mobile based applications, a number of things. Okay, but now coming to here, yes, okay. If you look at, this is the sequence you have to understand. And moreover, SAP is a what is that? SAP is a software. I said application. That means SAP is not a language also. It is a application software, or else we can call it as it is a package. SAP is a package. It's an integrated package. That means it is a kind of, SAP is a one type of ready-made application. We can say that. Okay, already SAP is a kind of pre-defined application. See, SAP is a predefined software, but but It is it is not pre-configured software. Okay, yes, what is the difference? So, example, what is the predefined? So in SAP, you will find, yes, yes, in SAP having built-in lot of built-in tables. Tables means database tables, ready-made tables are there. Tables and programs which are used for reports. And you can find function modules and as well as global classes also ready-made. Many are there, right? And again, forms are also there. Script forms, smart forms, Adobe forms are also there, right? So those are all, yes, which are okay, which are commonly required, commonly required for all industries, all industries. That is, SAP is a common software. Yes, SAP is a first of all, it is a global software, no doubt about it. Global means international software. Yes, SAP is used by global international customers. Global customers, or we call it as global clients also. Clients also, right. Next, so when they, because the development of SAP is they targeted entire globe. Entire globe means SAP used by indirectly the same statement only, other way around. All countries, all countries and all companies, maximum companies, all top companies. Okay, yes, right. If you go to majorly, major any industry, okay, SAP software used by used by stop big gains. That is the topmost. If you take automobile industry or pharma industry, textile, tobacco, cement, for like healthcare, or you take it as if electrical electronics industry, anything, you footwear industry, okay, every industry, all top players, that is all top major players, that is in every industry you have top 10 companies, we call it as, are using SAP. They are running their business process, okay, in SAP only. Yes, so that means, yes, so you will get SAP, yes, is a kind of global, it provides a global opportunities. Okay, right. So first we are talking on the industry point of view, right? Like in within SAP, you will find so many built-in. Built-in means ready-made, predefined. Already, SAP developers, they have planned commonly required tables, commonly required programs, function models, classes and forms and all. Already readily they developed it. That's why they took 20 years time to develop it. And yes, that's what the major, it's a kind of built-in. SAP is a kind of, it's a built-in software. It's a kind of ready-made software. But this is the common things required for all countries. Okay, but which cannot be used. SAP cannot be purchased and used directly. No, because it is not specifically developed for any Ford motors or BMW motors. So if you want to implement for the Ford motors, that should be undergo for the configuration changes. Okay, so it is not specific to one company. It is a commonly developed for all industries. In that case, first SAP must be purchased. After that, it is configured as per the industry, as per the business requirement, as per the client and customer requirement. It must be configured, and any add-on developments also required. Okay, they don't want to go for the standards built-in things. Then a requirement based, we develop additional database tables, additional programs, function models, classes, forms, everything. Okay, this is again the add-on developments. So SAP, yes, that is also one more uh, additional advantage. SAP supports, apart from the built-in things, SAP supports add-on developments, additional developments. Okay, but this development happens within ABAP only, using ABAP only. Only the naming convention, nomenclature changes. All built-in tables and programs and function modules begins with A B C D till X, A to X. That is the SAP namespace. If the developer, ABAP developer, want to use their development, they have to begin with Y or Z. Okay, that is Y or Z, we call it as. Yes, this is G developments, we call it as. Okay, that is custom development. So SAP also, if the customer for particular reason, there is a unique requirement, to fulfill that customer specific requirement, we have a provision, we have a facility, we can go for new development also, additional development also, that is also possible. It is supported by, yes. And moreover, SAP is a like a, yes, and one more dimension, SAP is a kind of large size software. It occupies lot of space. Okay, the cost also more. Yes, because a lot of, yes, SAP is a collection of collection of many modules. Modules means like sales and distribution. Yes, like that. That is about, yes, materials management and production planning, quality management, finance, etc., etc. Okay, and finance controlling and HR, HCM, etc., and so on. So these are all the functional areas or functional modules. So SAP basically, yes. What is SAP? If anybody asks you, SAP is a business software. SAP is a basically business software. That is, it provides business-based solutions completely. Okay, yes, based solution. Next, that is in the SAP is a industry-based software. Industry-based. So that is, it provides whatever the industry you name it, major industries, it's okay, it supports. Okay, next, SAP initially targeted with supports for large size top level companies, and companies with SAP R3. Now it is SAP Business Suite. Yes, the ready made. Okay, this is there. Next, SAP also, and it also supports for small and mid-sized enterprises, SMEs we call it as. That is, there is a SAP B1, business one is there, which is a suitable software, suitable application for small and mid-level enterprises. Okay, right. So this is another type of dimension where okay, SAP understanding, as well as the importance of SAP, reasons, okay, of SAP, why many customers are interested to use SAP, because SAP is a kind of one-stop solution. Okay, that means complete end-to-end solution. And moreover, SAP is good at, SAP is also supports, SAP also supports in okay, integrated with non-SAP softwares, integrated with the non-SAP applications. Yes, this is also very important. Some companies, they don't want to replace all departments into SAP. They want to continue with the non-SAP application still after SAP implementation also, but still it supports. Yes, okay, it supports because yeah, and moreover, yesterday I told you SAP uses other demand other in demand technologies also. Yes. Example, I was giving a list till also. Okay, yes. Everything, whatever the technology you name it, okay, because yes, if you go to, yes, these are all the areas. SAP uses Microsoft .NET application. That means SAP screens developed by using those screen environment, front end screens, yes, Windows based, and yes, .NET framework they develop. And Oracle, yes, Oracle is the database. Oracle supports many database. Now we have our own database called as SAP HANA DB, primary DB, HDB we call it as primary database. But still SAP is compatible with other databases also. And moreover, if you go with SAP supports, I told you SAP provides three level of like environment. Yes, what is SAP? One more dimension is SAP is a front end software. That means it is not a back end. That means it is user friendly software. SAP is user friendly software. User friendly meaning is what? That means it provides uh, just a kind of easily navigation. That is, any user can learn and adapt very easily. Easy navigation. You have minimize, maximize feature, drag, drop features. Like you can windows can be scrolled and all. You can drag the windows. You can keep the windows side by side adjacent comparison. So all the normal Windows supported all the features. Yes, okay, developed almost Windows shortcuts you can use it in while working with SAP also completely, right? So this is another type of thing. Then again, SAP also uses. I said Java is a part of SAP. Java engine, Java runtime environment is a part of architecture. So because within SAP, some applications runs on ABAP engine, some ABAP runtime environment, some applications runs on Java engine or Java runtime environment. So Java is a part of that. And again, yes, the meaning of this one is easy navigation is, yes, SAP provides, yes, three ways. Okay, SAP provides yes, access using that is normally Windows based. Windows based means GUI based, graphical user interface. SAP GUI is there. Using that, you can log in and work. SAP also provides. Okay, you can access SAP. You can work with SAP using browser based. Browser based also it supports. That is, you open a Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge URL, SAP specific URL application, you can type it, it will display the SAP report over there. That is, SAP supports both Windows based application, browser based application. Now SAP also supports hmm, like nowadays is app based, okay, application based. Okay, yes, app based. SAP apps can be installed in your uh, as well as desktop, laptop or tab or mobile. User friendly features, user specific features to the point required features are provided. Simplified feature, very easily navigation, because the loading of app application is very fast and quick, and user can work from any, that means what? There is no device specific, you have to understand. It supports all, you can access SAP from three different ways, and any device also you can use it. So as I said, okay, this is about the accessibility features. And the next, SAP supports multiple languages also, multilingual we call it as. Multiple, initially it was developed in everything in German, later into because their country specific, later into English and almost other languages. When the initial screen while logging into SAP, it will ask which language you want to log in. So the login default language is English. So if you type EN, you go to English. If you go to FR, if you go to French. Like that, you can choose the language, log on language from the initial screen itself. So the rest of the screens opens in the same language only, right? And moreover, SAP uh, supports SAP supports. If you look at multiple or several, okay, yeah, I told you it is a countries. Almost all country customers are using this SAP. All customers, yes. So SAP, yes, SAP classifies customers as three reasons. First, Americas. America's customers are from North America, South America, Canada, Mexico. All the region comes under America's region. Okay. Second one is EMEA. EMEA means E for Europe, Middle East, and Africa region. Yes, EMEA region. Yes, this covers the middle of the region completely. European region, which covers the complete British region, and moreover the Middle East region, and the bottom you can find Africa. Then last region is called as APJ. APJ stands for Asia Pacific Japan. This covers the completely Russia is above, then China, then India, then Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, complete. And if you look at right side, you will find the Japan also. That means Asia Pacific regions. Why? Because if you say, if you are want to complain to SAP, they ask you are the customer. SAP always address the customer based on which region you belongs to. So we have America region, EMEA region, or APJ region. So the entire global customers are classified from this. Okay. Yes, this is about your country specific. And again, this is, I said, SAP listens and listens and support all customer concerns. That means what? If any customer from any corner, SAP used customer, if they come with some kind of, they are expecting some add-on functionality into SAP, they will note it down. In the next release they will add it. Okay, if that is a global requirement. So that is SAP R&D is a continuous process is going on at SAP labs. SAP labs is a R&D center in worldwide. There are four SAP lab centers are there. One of the headquarter in headquarter, and second is at Bangalore also SAP labs is there, and a few other countries SAP labs is there. That is the R&D development center. So that is SAP is, it is not like a one time developed software. It is undergoing a lot of changes because up to date SAP want to provide, the SAP spending their revenue into R&D major. They are observing the global market, global trends. They are observing the competitors' point of view also. They are giving the new add-on features to the customers because it is customer centric. So the entire ecosystem developed like this. Okay, completely. So yes, that is SAP entertains all customers' grievances, concerns, any kind of issues. You can reach out to SAP finally. Any customer. Yes, that means SAP not only sell their product, SAP does the support also. SAP 24/7, 365 days is support level will reach out to the, there is a hierarchy levels, based on the high priority tickets. You can, they will resolve it quickly. Okay. Yes. Next, SAP provides some SAP notes, okay, to resolve the specific issues, country specific or industry specific. Okay, country specific or industry specific issues, there are many SAP nodes. So to address that particular issue, for particular reason, particular version specific, particular release specific, this SAP nodes are there. So SAP nodes, many SAP nodes are there for SAP to solve the SAP issues also. This is another dimension. Okay, like so now, okay, so we are into this. Yes, multiple languages, multiple, and moreover, right? SAP supports supports multiple currencies also. Currencies like SAP does not support the rupee symbol, dollar symbol. So we have USD, AUD, Australian dollar, United States dollar. Yes, or else INR. Okay, yes, this is Indian rupees. These three letters, capital letters, will use to work with SAP. When you work with SAP application, F4 help is there to, you can no need to remember all the list. That is most advantage feature for the users. Okay, users can choose the uh, preferred currency. This language, this is from this. Okay, right. Next, SAP also supports like okay, yes, payroll systems, HR point of view. SAP supports, okay, multiple payroll means what? Payroll system means payroll, pay slip, and the design and all, it differs from country to country. So multiple payrolls also. US payroll concept is different. India payroll concept is different, but it will support all the thing. That is your HR point of HR HCM point of view. It will support. If you look at the, again I am going back to the technical dimension. SAP supports what? When I said SAP is a front-end application, front-end software, it supports multiple, yes, multiple databases. Databases means it will support DB to DB4 from IBM, and a SQL Server from uh, SQL Server from the Microsoft SQL Server, and as well as Oracle, the leaders of database. Oracle it supports, and Ingress, Info, like there are database. Okay, there are so many other databases are there. Finally, okay, Sybase also. Sybase acquired by SAP actually. Then now the latest SAP proprietary database is called as HDB, HANA database. So rather than depending on all other non-SAP databases, so we are good at front end at the same, but we are depending on other databases. Okay, that's why SAP comes with our own proprietary database called as HANA database, which supports all the high level features called as particularly in memory database. That is, it's very fast in executions. There is a concept called as core data services, CDS views. So the execution is very fast and quick. Everything in the runs at the DB level only, in memory only. Okay, so the loading of all the thing into application area was slowly getting removed. So we will get the all the process execution happened in the underlying database only. That is the technical point of view. If you look at SAP supports multiple or several operating systems OS operating systems. That means SAP can be installed on Windows also, Linux environment also, yes, and Mac also, yes, Mac, Apple operating systems, Mac, and other etc. Okay, AS400 also, that is from IBM database. Windows from the Microsoft, Linux, Co-Unix, Red Hat, all those is an open environment. Yes, okay. And then again, almost all the available, okay, yes, software, operating systems it will support. But the backend, we are mostly SAP servers at the backend level used by Linux. Front end we are using Windows also. That is another type of yes, this one. Okay, clear. So this is the way you will find so many features, advantages while working with SAP also, right? Then uh, these are all about the technical features, functional features, customers' point of view, different dimensions. And suppose if you may be uh, from the yes, if you are looking for a career, student or participant dimension or graduate's point of view, yes. Okay, 1 minute. Let me log in this. Wait. Okay, just wait. For the other participants also will join. They will also continue to listen this session because now the time is 8. Okay. So going to the yes. And one more thing I forgot after operating systems, because these three are connectedly, we'll write DB, OS and all. SAP also supports yes, multiple hardware environment. That is, it can be installed in a larger size because hardware means it supports all kind of processors, all kind of hardware manufacturers. It could be IBM, Dell and others. Okay, so like yeah, so Suresh, go on mute because the session is going on and recording. Okay, thank you. So please listen that. Are you right? I hope screen is visible to you, correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Please. Right. So now, yes, this is your IBM supports all the, sorry, SAP also supports all the available hardware manufacturers, all the, okay, I can also show a picture of SAP so that you will understand. These three, first hardware, then OS, then database, then front end applications, drag drop features, all those stuff. Okay, because see here I am going to cover the almost the 100 reasons why we have to learn SAP, why SAP is in demand. Okay, yes. So I'm going, if it is a student point of view, SAP is a in demand software. Yes, because if you are looking for a career point of view, so SAP is a stable software that yes, stable. Sorry, where you can expect good feature future. Okay, Okay. Yeah. Please be on mute and continue. Right. Now, so if you are, yes, SAP is a, yeah, is a proven software, yes, used by many clients, many industries, many global clients, yes, within India, outside India, everywhere. So that is, I am telling you, it is a, SAP is a stable platform. Okay, what is the meaning of that is, once one time effort, one time you learn SAP codes and you enter into SAP, then your rest of the life will run cool, relax. Only the you have to put efforts to get into industry. That is initial entry, initial job is only the uh, yes problem. It's not a problem. Yes, you have to, yes, yes, with a lot of passion through you have to come into here and learn the thing. SAP again. I am going to the basic level. SAP courses like you have within SAP technical and functional courses are there. Yes. Courses can be learned by normal college graduates or freshers. Freshers means you may be from you may be from academic fresher. Okay, you may be from, yes. So go on mute, please. The session, you listen the session. So, like, yes, you may be a academic fresher, or else you have not worked till now in SAP. So, SAP point of view, you are a fresher. So, both SAP can be learned by freshers also, or you have experience in other areas, domain areas, non-SAP areas. Also, most welcome. You can, okay, experienced professional, we call it as, we call them as, okay, yes, professionals also welcome. You can also learn SAP courses. And yes, next, that means SAP courses are easy to learn, easy to adapt also. One time you have to put efforts. SAP is opens, SAP provides a global opportunities. One second. Okay, SAP provides global opportunities. Yes, global means you can work in India or you can go to abroad and work. So, in fact, wherever SAP is there, there you will find a lot of Indians, because our Indians, North Indians, South Indians, we are more passionate to learn about SAP, because yes, that's why wherever you go and see, there you will find Indians only in the SAP projects. Yes, okay, right. We are more passionate about to learn SAP. Right. Next, so this is another reason. Okay, we have a lot of learning platforms, and you can learn and adapt easily also. Okay, yes, technical ABAP basis courses are functional SD, FI, HR courses also you can learn. But at least initially, whatever technical functional course, you have to put minimum 6 months, I would say, because if you learn in a 3 months, I don't think so you will get a complete knowledge, because just it's a kind of one semester for you. So if you put 6 months wholehearted efforts, one time efforts, learn completely in and out of SAP knowledge, that's it. Your life, your career will be settled. You enjoy the rest of the life. Okay, this 6 months is very much crucial, very important, very much. So that's what, because whoever so settled, lakhs of consultants are working in SAP. You can check it out, what will be the career in SAP, career opportunities, career openings also. Yes, SAP provides global opportunities is nothing but global careers. You can go and check it out in the Naukri also, Monster also. Okay, like any country specific websites also. So SAP is a kind of evergreen software. 365 days over opportunities are there. Yes, 365 days, no doubt about it. Okay, careers, plenty openings are there. Every lot of okay openings are there. Lot of positions are still vacant. Okay, and coming back to next one is, if you look at, you can check it out with your friends, relatives, or in your network. In your network, like what are the SAP openings, career options? Because if you are not believing my statement, you can do your own survey also. Yes, but because I am going to the next level, SAP is a, because I told you, SAP SE is a product based company, which is already covered. Okay, product based company. The company name is this thing, and the product is SAP. Product itself is the SAP. Company name is also SAP. Product name is also SAP. That's why whenever you will get a call from SAP Labs or SAP, they also say that I am getting calling from SAP. So that itself is named like that. So here you will have you can do the survey what all the openings are there. You can check it out in the official SAP site, official website. If you want to explore in and out enterprise applications, you can check it out in the website URL, uniform resource locator. This is official site by the SAP company, which is not a fixed options. It is daily they are keep on adding lot of new latest events and news and lot of add-on features. So what is happening globally across SAP, you can check it out in the international website. It is having, it's developed in the international standards also. Okay, you can refer to that website. Okay, then next. So if you look at, I was deviated. So if you want to check it out, your social media network through, you will come to know the importance of SAP. Okay, why we have to learn SAP? How SAP provide the stable career opportunities also? Because you will find I cannot lakhs of consultants. They started their SAP journey. They have settled. They are enjoying that complete. So whoever entered into SAP, they will stick to SAP only. They don't quit SAP. They don't exit from SAP. They continue their rest of the journey with SAP only till their retirement, till the end to the retirement. So you can also check with your like what is the your industry experts. You check with industry experts. Those your relatives are working in SAP industry or even non-SAP industry also, but they are aware of the importance of SAP. Okay, so that those who are working in the companies, they can guide you properly. Okay, yes, they can tell you, yes, the importance of SAP, right? SAP software. This is about your the okay, right. You can check it out with your relatives, those who are working in SAP, so that you will come to know the reasons of and all. Then next, uh, yes, there are. I told you many positions are also local, global positions everywhere. It is there. And the last but not least, there is a one statement in the survey point of view. Yes, SAP is a 50 years old company, right? That is SAP actually SAP AZ started in 1972. Yes. Then SAP software officially launched. Okay, software launched in 1992. 1992. Yes. So 1992 to, if you look 72 to till 2002 and 2025, if you look at it, is 50 plus years software. It is having, it is very old software. It is a proven. Why it is? I said proven software means it is having less bugs. Okay, less kind of loopholes or whatever you call it as. Yes. So everything SAP is very fast and quick. Yes, to use other latest on-demand technologies. If AI came, SAP also provides AI. Yes, robotics came, SAP provide robotic solution. SAP cloud computing came, SAP provide cloud computing. And you say whatever the technology you name it, that features are quickly adapting and incorporating into SAP quick, very fast. That means once you enter into SAP also, we cannot be relaxed, because if you can become a long term goal, you can keep, you want to become a SAP architect, or you want to become a enterprise solution architect, then in that case you can learn many things in the SAP journey also. Okay, but we start with ABAP extension, so many courses. You start with functional extension, so many courses are there, but those courses and all we will learn after entering into company. You no need to join outside or no need to learn outside. That is on job learning. While learning the job, we do learning. Or suppose sometimes what happened, companies are providing in-house trainings, internal trainings, KT, knowledge transferable sessions, knowledge sharing sessions. There is a web-based learnings are there. There are a lot of portals are there to learn. So a lot of learning platforms are there to learn. That means initially it takes a lot of time to adapt or acquainted into SAP flow, features and all. One time you understand the SAP style of working, then you can also be a learner on your own. No need to join for the every each and every course. Spending time, spending money particularly not required. Okay. Yes, only you can spend time and effort. Yes, SAP courses are self-explored, self-explored also. That, but you have to have passion to learn. If you are a quick learner, self-learning capabilities are there, exploring, then definitely you can learn the rest of the courses on your own also. Nobody joins course at every level. Only initially they learn. Remaining, while on job only, they will adapt it. And moreover, yes, SAP does provide one more. This thing is called as um, one more help.sap.com. This is the website where you will. This is SAP Help Library, complete in and out. Okay, just like Microsoft provide MSDN, digital library. Similarly, all modules, all technical functional modules, in and out knowledge is there with clear features, functionalities, each points, each section, in documentation, steps, procedures, and all explained everything in detail, in detail provided by SAP itself. Okay, yes. So help.sap.com is a SAP free library. Anybody can learn on their own. It is open. Yes, it is open to learn. And SAP provides, there is a kind of learning.sap.com. This is called as SAP Learning Hub. SAP Learning Hub. This is a kind of portal. You have to have user ID, yes, user ID. After certifications you will get it. So this latest on demand courses are there here. You can learn if you want to be self learning, yes, completely. That is called as a uh, what is it, OLT, online training, because one is ILT, instructor led training, second is OLT, online model. That means step by step procedures are there. You can click and learn step by step everything. And there is a one more, yes, all modules are available here. Can go into like Open SAP is a one of the, yes, official site from SAP, where open SAP or open.sap.com you try out. This also provides the, yes, open certifications also. You can learn from your home. You can give certification from your home, from your respective place. Yes, SAP provides global certification. Yes, global certifications which are valid one time you can do it, valid across globe, but it is version specific. And nowadays they have come with there is a validity periods are also there. Some kind of 6 by 6 certifications are there nowadays. Yes, earlier it was, yes, SAP was certification was in, if you go back to the a decade back or 2 decades back, it was for SAP certification cost was how much? 4.5 lakh Indian, okay, point of view. Okay, yes, this was the worth of cost of SAP software, because like completely instructor led training, if you want to learn for SAP technical or functional courses, this was the cost. SAP is very costly software also. That means to purchase also cost, to even to learn also very cost. But nowadays there are a lot of alternative provisions are there to learning facilities. That's why if you are interested to be a certified professional, why certification? There is a question, why we have to do certification? Because you can be a normal learner or you can be a certified learner. The difference, when you go and attend for a job, there is a filter criteria. When there is a filter, they will give first priority to the certified professionals. Certified, once you are certified, you can keep SAP logo on your resume, on your CV, curriculum vitae. So when they look at the SAP logo as a certification also at 3 levels, associate level, one more level, 3 levels are there. Generally we go for uh, basic associate level certification, we do it. Okay, yes, still you want to go for further levels, that is there. Yes, so that is, yes, officially you will get certificate from the SAP. Yes, you will get certificate completely. They'll send it, courier it to your address, specified address. So that is one time, it is globally valid also. Yes, so because you and your profile get lot of weightage once you are a certified in your respective area, because you will get plenty opportunities. You will get a job as a fresher opportunities. As a fresher, if you want to enter into industry, you can be a certified SAP professional. Yes, certification always gives weightage. And after getting into industry also, if you want to get into the project again, there is a next level, because getting into IBM, Accenture, Wipro, TCS is the first level. Second level, your profile should process to the so and so running projects. That means when your profile is shared to the particular client, at that time also this certification is valid. There also client, customer, customer also looking for the certified people. Why? The reason behind is uh, because companies, customers, the believes that the certified people, certified consultants have good knowledge, basic knowledge, having sound basics fundamentally clear, conceptually clear, so that once they are certified, they know the standards, they know the global standards, they do standard way of implementation of support. That's the reason customers are also more interested on certified professionals. Okay, certified professionals are always on demand. You will get, when the name itself is a global certification, okay, that is, this certification opens a global opportunities for you. You can work in any country, anywhere to anywhere you can work it. Yes, that is the importance and the weightage of the certification. Okay, clear? Yes. So you yes, this way. Then one more is there, one more website is there. This is SAP Community Network. It was earlier SCCN was there. Okay, now I think so. It is renamed to. It will redirect you to. Yes, if you look at here for a moment, I am taking you to quickly these websites also for your understanding point of view. So you can go to sap.com, accept all cookies and all, right? So there is a, because this my location is from India, it is directly automatically taking you to the India specific portal. Yes, you can see that SAP slash India, because SAP used by almost 175 countries. Customers are using, because I cannot say that fixed countries list. You will find that customers list, how many lakhs of customers are using, how many countries it is using, everything you will find it over here completely. So this is the global. uh, yes. Then SAP Tech Ed is, every year they will conduct technical education. At India point of view, there is a, at Bangalore it happens. There, yes, there is a 5 days they will conduct it. 3 days or 5 days they will conduct it. So here the SAP experts, SMEs, SMEs stand for subject matter experts. They will come and they will explain the latest what is happening inside SAP, what is the customer demands, and what are all the latest successful implementation success stories. They will explain with presentation through hour by hour sessions are there, by, so that you will get enlightened by attending this SAP Tech Ed. It's very good. And moreover, end of the decade you can give exam also, certification exam also. That was the, yes. And go to, yes, you can see these products, SAP small scale, large scale, what are the solutions provided by SAP? Artificial AI solutions, the analytic solutions, technological platforms, A to Z. If you want to see all the products of A to Z, you can click on this website. SAP all cloud ERP, yes, more SAP offerings and all. You can go to the business suite. SAP suite, whenever we say just like a .NET suite. .NET suite is integrated with VB.NET, ASP.NET, C Sharp .NET. Similarly, SAP suite means it is integrated with, it is an integrated solution. Okay, yes. And moreover, actually, I forgot that point. Yes, see here itself I thought of to cover. Yes, because there are lot of um, ERP softwares are also there in the market, competitors' point of view. But SAP is a proven, SAP is a proven ERP or ERP leader. Yes, enterprise resource planning ERP leader. Yes. So then again, SAP software, that SAP software developed using ERP concept. ERP concept says that provide end-to-end solutions by one software. Remove all, go with one. That is the complete all departments, just like a one-stop solutions. So that is Within SAP, you will find many modules to provide all department specific solutions. So that's why it is a proven ERP leader. So competitors point of view also you can have a look at here. Yes. So other Oracle, Microsoft tried in this space, but SAP occupies 75% of the, yes, even I could say more than that also. Yes, 75% of, yes, ERP area. That is, yes, completely. Okay, right. Remaining all other competitors are comes under remaining 25%. That is, if you look at, yes, I told you right. Again, I was coming to here. SAP is a product based. I said right. It is. Uh, SAP is a like a fourth uh, product based company, fourth top product based company. That means if you go to the product based companies list in Google, you will find first as a Microsoft, second as a Google, third as a Oracle, fourth one is SAP. That means you are already in the top. You are learning a topmost software. No worries. Okay. So I am in this 2 hour session. I am going to cover almost 100 reasons. 100 reasons. The title I am changing to 100 reasons why you have to learn SAP. Why SAP can adapt. SAP is only the place you can learn and get global plenty multiple opportunities. Okay, yes, I'm covering the technical dimension, hardware, software dimension, multiple multiple point of view I am covering here. Okay, so right, comparison with different ways. Okay, yes. Next, so we were into, yes, here in the website you can refer it. Go here. Yes, this is the chart bot. If you click on latest chart, it will take you to the chart bot where you can, because we don't know who you are. You may be a student looking for SAP career. You may be a customer looking for SAP software. You may be a client or customer. You may be a partner for SAP. You may be a certified professional for SAP. So that's why there is a different links are there to explore further, right? So these are all the ways. If we click on inside, it will open many things. What is business suite and all, you can explore it to the further levels. Okay, if you go to the products, okay, yes, products list is this. Industries list. SAP provides almost all type of industries: automobile sector, automotive industry, consumer, IS retail sector. Industry specific solutions are there. IS utilities. This is a simple. You can go and see the all the technical. Yes, SAP have two things. SAP with Rise, SAP with Grow. So that is SAP Rise, SAP Grow. That means you can, if you are new to SAP industry, you can purchase SAP. You means company. Customers can purchase and implement and use SAP software. Okay, you can grow with SAP. That means grow means what? Because why customers are mostly interested to work with SAP, to use SAP software, because they can grow their business 10 times and 100 times, 10x and 100x. Okay, but after purchasing, after implementing, while working with SAP, their business will grow because SAP provide a one-stop end-to-end solution. The managers can take a decision at their dashboards whether the company is running in a profit side or loss side. Quick decisions based on the decisions, actions, and a further level. So SAP provides multi-dimensional reports, graphical reports, pictorial reports, dashboards, and all, so that the decisions, quick decisions, according to the decisions, company can drive to the next level. That is about business point of view. Okay, that's why all top companies already they are at top. They want to go to the next level. They can make use of SAP also. Yes, that is another business point of view. That's why SAP uses this two word: SAP with rise, SAP with grow. This Okay, SAP provide, yes, two options: on premises, on cloud. That is, you can keep your SAP servers in your company premises is called as on premises. You can use SAP cloud services also. Cloud computing, which is on demand nowadays. AWS, Amazon Web Services, or Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. These are all the major players in the cloud space, cloud computing. So SAP also does support cloud computing. Yes, and SAP also supports web services. Web services are also provided to integrate with SAP to non-SAP integration. Okay, we have in SAP we have a XIPI is there. Okay, exchange infrastructure or process CPI, we call it as cloud platform integration, which is used to the, which is called as a middleware concept, which is used to the integrate with SAP to other softwares. Integration is we can call it a seamless integration. That is also, you can send the data to non-SAP and you can receive the data from non-SAP. Send, receive, exchanging, that is very easy. It is possible. And again, finally, yes, SAP, yes, another advantage, SAP implementation, SAP implementations are can be possible without interrupting or disrupt the existing system or existing business process. Yes, that means what? If you want to, yes, implement SAP, you don't need to stop your business process. Yes, that is without interrupting. Yes, yes. Okay. Next, we have yeah, one more thing is, if you migrate to SAP, then wow, then first question arises: what will be the backup previous years data, old data? So SAP can take care. SAP supports, yes. What is that? Data migration in the sense old data, consistent data, the legacy data, we call it as legacy data can be migrated, can be migrated. Yes, that is even in the cutover level, they will plan it. They don't lose a single record of the old data. Yes, they can go for last 10 year, 20 years data also. They can migrate it into SAP completely. These data migration facilities are also provided. Yes, that is another advantage. Okay, customer no need to worry about the old data point of view. Yes, that is another advantage. Okay, yes. So what did I say? In the implementation duration also, companies still continue their business process. Parallelly, implementation also will be continued. After post go live, yes, what happens? The consultants provide to the uh, training to the user manuals and all documentation they'll create it. So post go live, users can users also users also can quickly learn or adapt and work. You can easily can work with SAP. This is another advantage. Yes, because it is not a rocket science. It's not so typical or tough. Okay, because I told you the it's very GUI based. GUI means graphical user interface. That is GUI concept started from Microsoft Windows. So that is SAP software looks like a Windows only. Working with Windows, if you feel easy, comfort, similarly working with SAP screens also easy and a comfort also. Yes, that is another dimension I am covering here. Okay, yes. So almost yes, correct. Next, if you go to the further levels, right? Okay, SAP provides learning platform called as help portals and all I explained here. Then this is about learning hub access and all certifications. SAP community forums are also there. Yes, a lot of because to exchange the SAP knowledge, yes, you can enroll it here. You can post your queries, or you can answer for somebody queries, helping others. Okay, yes, lot of blogs are also there about SAP successful stories and all. Yes, you can get into yes like this also. You can find the partners. Yes, if you want to become a partners and all. Yeah. And finally, you can go to the about. You can find the company information, careers, openings at SAP level, customer stories, customer successful implementation, customers feedback also, events and latest news, investors, that is stock market point of view also, share market also you can look at here. Yes, so all multiple dimensions you can see here, right? So this is about your right complete. Yes, SAP also does the this part. What is that? 1 minute. SAP SAP means SAP software. SAP does uh, what is that? CSR activities. CSR means corporate social responsibilities. Yes, the sustainability net zero to remove the pollution and all. Yes, activities. There are so many activities are happening and all. Completely. Yes, SAP. There is a you can go to yes yes because you can check it out here. SAP. Yes, there is a one website. This is was earlier it was on, but now they removed might be. There is a all latest updated videos are also there. You can find out here. So this is what Americas, Middle East, and APJ regions. These are all the customers logos. You can find it here. Global customers list. Okay. Yes. You can find out here. Yes. Complete. Okay. AI driven latest solutions business suite. Yes, this is your almost a similar type of links newsletters. You can reach out to this. Okay, zero. That is your country because it is India specific. You can check it out. Okay, right. Next, if you go to the second one is this like help.sap.com because most commonly websites URLs required for all SAP consultants are SAP help portals. Okay, here you can type any, choose the language drop down, type the any topic, you will get it the help in detail help as links here. So, cloud analytics, okay, analytics cloud, this is one of the area. ERP areas, okay, SAP products, SAP business by design, SAP business one, SAP ERP, SAP S4 HANA, B4 HANA, etc. BTP is the latest platform in SAP, which integrates to the AI also that you can see. Financial FI related FICA, GRC, group reporting, all latest one is there here. And spend management, supply chain SCM, okay, HCM, yes, sustainability management. So many. This is a kind of go green concept. Okay, yes, okay, you can get into this much. Okay, support. Yes, it will take you to this area also complete. Then, okay, next. Yes, I said learning.sap.com. Yes, learning.sap.com also provides all the what you want to learn. Latest one complete. Okay, so the these are all there links and all. You can browse all. Okay, you can get into, you can learn these things, or you can enroll the upcoming sessions also. Yes, quick links, learning shop, learning hub, development center, community. Yes, that SAP community will take you to, earlier I said SCN. SCN is replaced as a community.sap, SAP community network. Just like you are a part of LinkedIn and Facebook and all social network, Instagram and all, but this is SAP community, where you will find lakhs of SAP consultants, the working profiles, working people. Yes, the main, this is the official site. You can see the SAP logo here. This is the fixed SAP trademark logo. Wherever you find this SAP symbol, even SAP caption is also there. Best run business runs SAP. That is the caption of a tagline of SAP. So this is the community forum where you can, I told you right here how many members are there, how many posts, and it will take blogs also, links also, the expert guidance also, SMEs are also there. You can enroll here, because first you have to log in. Okay, one time enrollment here. Then after that you can come here and post your questions, queries. So anyone across globe, they will, you will get a answer. Okay, anyone can guide. That is a kind of yes, threads we call it as one thread. You post, when you post a question, the thread begins. Then when you will get multiple answers, you follow one answer, then you go further level, and finally you implement the solution and close the thread, open the thread and close the thread. That's what the way we work here. So this is uh, thread is end to end solutions like that. Okay, this is for knowledge sharing or experienced. If you stuck at one place, come here and post your questions, no problem. Okay, you will get the experts guidance here. Or else if you have free time, you can join and solve some the questions of someone posted. You can help others, so that you, so what will happen, we can gain knowledge also. Okay, we as many issues you see in this thing, we will get we will get exposure to the several business process and all, because it's you can see the from consultants with 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. So they are at expert level. Okay, they have seen in and out of SAP. So you will get a quick response, quick guidance from them. And moreover, I'm deviating. Actually, SAP has more career opportunities. Yes, reason I will tell you. Upcoming, okay, career openings. The reason is from 2025 to 2030. These 5 years, lot of SAP consultants who started their career in 90s, and they are going to retire. They almost reached 50 above age, and they are about to retire also. This is not my statement, it is a kind of one survey statement. Okay, so when a lot of consultants are going to retire from industry, obviously these positions, who will fill that positions? Yes, those positions must be filled by the, yes, campus recruited college freshers, or else if you are a open, if you are looking for a career, you will get a plenty options. Okay, yes, multiple options. I have seen one SAP SD AI consultant with around 80 lakhs package. That means package doesn't matter. If you want a good package, good remuneration, you can fulfill all of your dreams by using SAP itself. But you are dedicated, committed towards, if you want to prove yourself, SAP is the best place, SAP is the best choice for your career. That's what I can almost conclude, because here if you start above to below, obviously I crossed 100 above reasons why SAP is only the choice for you guys. Okay, so this video is enough for you to choose, for you to, because why I'm more emphasizing on a particular area, because I learned SAP, I got success in SAP. So this is my success story as well. Okay, 20 years success story. So same, that same motivation to you also, because we are here, we'll take care of you. You are also welcome to SAP space, SAP area, SAP ecospace. So we got success. Similarly, you will also will get success. No second thought. Okay, because you, with this almost I have spent 4 to 5 sessions to give, to separate the mindset point of view, because people are most confused, unstable, to come to which area have lot of demand under. So how do you decide? You have only two options. You check your skill set, and you check the market on demand, in demand softwares and all. So I am giving confident that SAP is the best choice, and it is for the you will get 100% best opportunities openings in the SAP space. Okay, but you have to wait. You may not get the job immediately once you complete. No, you have to wait and wait till you get a break. Because how do you search for SAP openings? That is separate, we will talk separately. Okay, yes, because lot of companies are looking for a genuine SAP knowledge people. So if you prove that, if you have a really, honestly, if you have done the real hard work, companies are ready to acquire you, companies are ready to take you. Because the thing is that companies are looking for a good knowledgeful people. If you feel that you are the best person, definitely you will get not one job, you will get 100 jobs. The sync should happen. The companies are looking for good people are looking for good companies, but the sync should happen. Definitely you will be placed. Okay, you will be placed into SAP industry, and you can continue with rest of the life, rest of the career. Yes, you can work with SAP continue journey only. Okay, you no need to look at non SAP opportunities and all, because what you want, you have career in SAP, you have package in SAP, you have exposure in SAP, you have next extension to SAP within SAP. Then what next? Whatever your all of your dreams is fulfilled by within SAP space itself, then you no need to all of your dreams. Okay, one place. Okay, just like a one stop solution. Okay, that's why this is the final destination, I can call it as. Once you enter into SAP, that's it, your life changes. It's a kind of game changer. Okay, yes, because that's what my confidence and all, right? So you can, yes, there are so many, like the consultants are there actively, their postings you can see. This is the issue, you can see the posted at which level yesterday. what is the issue, you can, yes, how many are likes. If you click on that Q and A, question answers, you can follow the thread also completely end to end. So here lot of technical functional issues, yes, it is openly posted, it is openly discussed over here. That is about your yes. And moreover, I told you open SAP is also there. Okay, open.scp.com. Yes, I think this was there earlier. Yes, yes, this is redirecting you to, because that's what SAP is very fast and quickly changes these sites also. That's why sometimes we get confused. So this is going to the learning only, learning hub only, learning space only. This is the okay. Almost mm, mostly this information is enough for you guys. Okay, why to stick to SCP? I answered in a big picture and a broad dimension also. Okay, right. So coming to the conclusion, where I started this, yes. So here it is. Yes, SCPA is a high level, high end software also, because that is also one of the way, which I forgot to tell you. SAP is a high level and high end software. That means once you say that I am a SAP consultant, you will also get similar demand in the market, open market. Yes, because when you are at a high end level, when you are at this level, so it is better to know, it is good to have awareness of the surrounded technologies knowledge also, because since SAP is using all the available on demand other technologies, so as a SAP consultant also, it is good to have the knowledge of other areas are also other demand integrated areas, because all the technological integration is happening here. Okay, yes, almost all the technologies you can, yes, like if you go to, yes, this one I told you, yes, there is a EAI tools, Enterprise Application Integrated Tools, that is called as middleware software. So TIPCO is there. TIPCO is good at good middleware. TIPCO, Web Method, jQuery, Mercator, CB, and these are all about middleware softwares. SAP has our own middleware software called as SAP XI, Exchange Infrastructure, PI Process Integration, SAP PO Process Orchestration. Now it is called as, because the slides have not updated, SAP CPI is the latest one, Cloud Platform Integration. That is one of the area which provides complete, and web services also comes into this place where you will get SAP to non-SAP integration. Yes. Next, groupware softwares. Groupware is nothing but within the company, if you want to communicate one to another, we'll use generally Lotus Notes from IBM or Microsoft Outlook Express. But SAP within SAP, there is a workflow is there. Workflow is used for user to user communication. That is, SAP users can communicate. They can send mail, they can send attachment, send Excel, send or receive. Okay, this is what is that, request and response. That is approval mechanisms. Also can be done. Workflow is not a SAP specific, workflow is a common concept, but SAP also uses this. This mobile development area already covered it, Fiori and UI 5 also. SAP uses cloud services are also AWS and all. That is our nothing but DevOps services are also our Jenkins, Kubernetes and all, right. So SAP also uses cloud service. Cloud computing is that infrastructure as a service, software as a service, or else platform as a service. This SAP uses clouds. SAP integrated with Adobe, and SAP started with Adobe Forms integrated with. SAP acquired a company called as Success Factors. Okay, this is HR point of view. So that is Success Factor no longer is an independent company. It is SAP's own company. So SAP, I said, SAP acquired many companies are also, just like SAP acquired Sybase, SAP acquired Ariba also, or a Success Factor also. Yes. Like what is Ariba? Ariba is a like e-commerce area. Okay, nowadays we go with everything online shop. Ariba is proven in the European area. So now SAP uses this space also completely. So finally, if you say any area, we call it as, okay, yes, SAP uses, there is a one more area called as project management tools are there. Yes, okay, project management tools. Yes, normal. It is not SAP specific tools are there because this is general knowledge. There is a Jira is there, ServiceNow is there. Okay, right. And moreover, Joho, that is Indian based, the Sridhar Vembu from Chennai. Yes, Joho is an on demand, just like recently they started Arattai as a one chart platform, just like alternative to the WhatsApp. Similarly, Joho they have, yes, Joho as a Joho mail also they came alternative for Gmail. So Joho projects is there, and even Microsoft Project Planner is there. Yes, Microsoft Project Planner. Yes. So SAP also you supports all those latest on-demand project tools also. Right. Next, like SAP also uses, okay, SAP uses that Agile concepts. It's not old waterfall model, Agile concepts, Agile Scrum concepts. Agile is a kind of project implementation methodology where quick, quick adaptable solution. You can not fixed flow model. Changes can be adapted at any incorporated at any point of time. That is the Agile says, okay, which is on demand nowadays. Okay, adaptability. Yes. Okay, this is another kind of like tools. And again, SAP SAP also supports RPA. Okay, robotic process automation UI path also. Yes, this is also, yes, SAP supports. So SAP supports all cyber security is on demand nowadays. All cyber security features are also it supports. Yes, yesterday's we have discussed that AI concepts, right? AI ML. This is actually the data science, data engineer science, data scientist, etc. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, this is our another area, AI ML also. Yes, SAP Joel is there to take care. Okay, this space also completely right. Even new add-on developments can be done using Python also. Yes, SAP. Right. Next, like this is almost all the other areas. I just explained everything. Okay, so finally, conclusion for the day is this is a complete end-to-end 100 reasons. Definitely, I covered from multi-dimensional student point of view, business point of view, employee point of view, career point of view. Okay, all the multiple dimensions. Okay, Thank you for joining. We'll end the session here and we'll continue the question answers tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.